Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Riders Republic game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-game language within this game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Riders Republic game on your device, and you can go into options right from the main menu, or you may pause your game and then go into options as well. Once you are inside the options, the in-game language feature is strangely found inside the audio section. So navigate into audio and then scroll down until you reach the language section. Here you will find the text language. You can change between the various different languages that are available. And once you have found your desired language, you can just press the back button and you will need to quit your active game and go into the main menu in order to see your change take place. If you wish to change your language once again in the future, you can follow the same steps. Pause your game, go into options, and then audio. And from here, you can once again change your in-game desired language. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-game language on the Riders Republic game. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.